The other tools here that I want to cover briefly is, of course, photo logs. Self-explanatory, obviously, being able to keep updated photos on the project itself to know what is going on. You notice, we associate this to a project itself. So here, I've got a picture of dirt, right? But, any number of things that you can put on here. And many times you're using these photo logs to show either damage or progress or whatever the case is that you want to be able to have as a record on the project. Again, you don't need to go elsewhere. You don't need to tie in your SharePoint or your Box or whatever data storage that you're using. You can tie it directly in here on the field, the team using the mobile app. They don't need a laptop. They can snap the picture, load it directly from the mobile app. The project manager can then see it from their desk in the office. And then the last one I'll cover is this daily field report, one of my favorites, right? This is a simple way to report what's going on a project, any delays, any visitors, anything going on. So example, I'll pull this one up here. It's a daily field report. And what you'll see here is we're able to track not only labor, obviously any labor that was on here, any change requests that generated that day, change orders, subcontractors that showed up, obviously what project tasks, their costs, how long they were there, issues that arose, photos, of course, what equipment we had on site. And one of my favorites is weather, right? What did the weather do to us, right? And this is important because, let's be real, weather can impact our projects all the time. So do we have any delays due to the weather, right? What's going on? And then who showed up? So in this case, an inspector showed up. That's good to know. We want to know when the inspector showed up, right? What was he doing there? What was the purpose of the visit, right? And then areas that he inspected. And this can then be set to print, or I say print, but to be able to generate, and this can get sent out to any of the shareholders on the project. One quick summary so that they can look and say, what went on today? What do I need to keep account for? And if the inspector showed up, is there anything I have to worry about? Or is there any delays while we wait for approval?